What's up, guys? This is Ty Zen. In this video, guys, I want to share with you guys my thoughts on whether or not to invest into Ethereum Classic or Ethereum Hard Fork, or a combination of both. Right now, Ethereum Hard Fork is right around $10, $12, right around that area. And then we have Ethereum Classic that's right around $1, between $1 to $2, right? $1.30, $1.50, somewhere around there. I haven't checked since this morning, but it's somewhere around there. And I've been thinking about. I had a discussion with the Oracle of cryptocurrency, LeonFu.com, last night, and he's been vacationing out in Denver, Colorado, with his girlfriend. That's why he hasn't been on here lately, guys. But we were just discussing on the phone about, whether it's better to invest in Ethereum Classic or Ethereum Hard Fork. And what we came to the conclusion was this. If you guys been following me, you guys know that one of my previous videos that we talked about what the repercussions are of, or what the outcome of the DAO attack and the hard fork, and what we project is going to happen to the Ethereum Foundation and to the people involved with creating the DAO and things like that. And we still have not changed our opinion about the legal ramifications that's going to come down the pipeline when it comes to Ethereum Hard Fork. I think that we still believe, and we have not changed our opinion yet, based on the current data that we have and the current information and the environment we have. There's a lot of expansion going on in the Ethereum community. What I mean by that is that there's a lot of applications and software projects that's being built to go on top of the Ethereum blockchain, but we think that there is going to be still a lot of legal issues that's going to come down regarding the DAO attack and the way that the money was raised and things like that. Now, in other countries, it may not be a big deal, but in America, there's a lot of legal issues with raising money that we were not aware of or did not fully understand at the time that they try to raise money for the DAO project. Okay, so because of that, even though Ethereum Hard Fork is at around just above $10 right now, if you had the money, let's just say that you had $1,000 and you were going to invest it into Ethereum Hard Fork or Ethereum Classic, which would be the better investment? Now, in my opinion, the Ethereum Hard Fork has the most development and the most projects being built on it at the moment. Okay, at the moment, and they also have the core development team that originally built Ethereum. That means that Vitalik and all the other guys are on Dr. Gavin Wood, all those guys. They have the money, they have the manpower, and they have the technical know-how to build the project and make it successful. Okay, but the one issue that's gonna put a monkey wrench in the whole game, okay, is the legal issues that we anticipate that's going to come down. And when we say legal issues, there can be two types of legal issues that can come down. One can be that it can be a criminal, okay, which we don't highly suspect that it will be a criminal issue, but there will be some civil issues, legal. It's going to deal with the court system that is going to drag Ethereum Hard Fork down. And even if these other projects that come on, it's going to be that's something that's still lingering, that Leon and I have not figured out. That issue has not gone away because of the legal issues that goes on behind the dealing with the DAO attacker, okay, and the hack of the DAO ICO and stuff. Now, on the other hand, if we look at Ethereum Classic, they are slowly building up a community to develop it. If you guys remember what Charles Hoskinson said, there's one thing that he said that is extremely powerful. He said that a coin or a cryptocurrency project will only survive based on their project, okay, on the community that surrounds that software project. And if it does not have a community, then it will not survive. There was a lot of people that that I'll give you guys an example. There's a lot of people that said that NXT was dead. It went down in price so low that it's a pre-mined coin. But there was myself and many other people that believed in the project, and we helped start up the NXT Foundation. Raise some money, by volunteerism, and the NXT project is still alive and going well, and it's getting ready to go to the next level of cryptocurrency evolution and come out with the Ardor system. Okay, so that's in a separate video. But what I'm saying is that the cryptocurrency projects will succeed if it has a strong community. We already have a community, a meetup, a Ethereum Classic meetup in in London, and they just had one in Shanghai or something like that, or maybe I got those two backwards. But they have both of those going on in major cities, and they are about to have another one with one of the core developers, a gentleman named Brown, down in Phoenix, Arizona. And so there is a community of people that are assembling together to build the Ethereum Classic. You got people like myself and others on YouTube who are also talking about Ethereum Classic. I do not believe that Ethereum Classic will go away anytime soon. I am not looking to trade. After I made that big gain of over 100% profit on my Ethereum Classic trade, I am looking at holding it now for the long term, because it's pulled back to a price point that I believe is starting to stabilize now, right above $1. And if it goes down below $1 or to 50 cents, I'm gonna back up the truck and load it up on it. Okay, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that, so when it happens, you guys don't think that I'm trying to pump and dump it or anything like that. I just believe that the Ethereum Classic chain is not gonna go away. Okay, nothing. It has proven now that I was waiting for the DAO attacker to see if he'll unload his coins or whatever, and instead he donated 1,000 of his Ether Classics to the Ethereum Classic development community. Okay, now obviously he's doing that to get attention. All right, he's doing that to get attention, to let everyone know that he's still around. I don't believe that he's doing it to help the Ethereum Classic community. I just believe that he's doing it just to let everybody know that he's watching it. Okay, so whatever he does, I really don't care. If he dumps all his coins, great, I'll buy him up. It doesn't matter. And if you are the DAO attacker and you want to sell some of your Ether Classics at a discount, just contact me privately and I'll buy it from you. Okay, so I don't give a shit. All right, if you want to get rid of them, somebody's gonna buy them. Might as well be me and my friends who were willing to get it cheap. Okay, I believe that the Ethereum Classic is going to survive, and if you look at the long term, they do not have as many applications and software projects being built on top of the Ethereum Classic chain right now. However, the way that the community is mobilizing and coming together to help develop this Ethereum Classic project, I think that in the long term, I strongly believe that it will have the potential to come close to what Ethereum is currently doing right now. Ethereum hard fork, I believe that once the cloud of legal issues that's lingering, the storm clouds of legal issues that's lingering over that project is gone or is dealt with, then I believe that someday, Ethereum is the next best coin to do what Bitcoin did. Okay, as far as price terms, I'm not saying that it's going to go up to 1,000, but if there's anybody that has a potential to go to 1,000, it'll definitely be Ethereum hard fork for sure. Okay, because they got Vitalik and there's so many projects being built on it. If you watch my video on what is the Ethereum value stack, you'll see what I mean when more value is built on top of it, the entire network's going to get more valuable. Now, Ethereum Classic, I'm not sure what the exact price projection is, and this video is not an attempt at a price projection. It's just to see of how we can split up the our money and our capital and know how much to invest into, whether to invest into Ethereum Classic or Ethereum hard fork, and how much of our money do we put into it. Okay, now I made sure I loaded up. Let's put it this way: if Ethereum Classic ever even gets to $10 or to $20, which I don't see any reason why Ethereum Classic could not get to $10, because if Ethereum hard fork can do it, and there's more room for it to go even higher, then I believe that there's plenty of probability that Ethereum Classic can reach the $10, because it has proven that it has been there before. So I don't see why it would not be able to get there. So I'm loaded up on Ethereum Classic. Now, I have not had an opportunity to buy any Ethereum hard fork, even though I believe in it. I believe that the price will go lower. I believe that there's a time when Ethereum Classic and Ethereum hard fork will reach parity. Okay, and I'll make a separate. I made a separate video to explain what is Ethereum parity, so that you guys can understand it. So watch that video. But once it basically reaches equal in price, then that's when I believe that I will come in and then get a bunch of Ethereum hard fork, and then hold on to it for the long term. I'm not going to look to trade it. I'm just going to look to hold it for maybe at least 6 months, a year, 2-3 years, because I believe that when the other projects go on there, that's a long-term potential for me. Obviously, I'm going to use money that I don't need at the moment to pay my bills and take care of my family and stuff. It's going to be money that I can set aside. Mostly it'd be my retirement money, so I can put it in there. I mean, all my retirement money is in cryptocurrencies anyway. So, I mean, saying that my retirement money is in cryptocurrencies is kind of meaningless, because all of it is in there. Okay. So that's my thoughts on it, guys. Let me know if you guys have any other thoughts on it. So basically, I'm just going to invest in both Ethereum Classic and Ethereum hard fork. I don't have any Ethereum hard fork right now. Leon has plenty of Ethereum hard fork and Ethereum Classic, and he's going to hold on to it for the long term also. I'm waiting for the price of Ethereum hard fork to dip lower, and then start collecting some of it. Okay, if it falls below $1, I'll get a ton of it. If it falls so steadily as it's falling, I'm gonna start accumulating it as it's falling, and then put some aside. Okay, and that'll be a good chunk of my retirement portfolio is going to be in the Ethereum hard fork. Now, the Ethereum Classic, I think that there's still plenty of room to grow. If you tell me that it goes, you can see it going to $10, I can see that very easily. Once they get the community set up and projects going, probably a little bit longer. It might take, that probably won't happen until next year. So if you're looking to commit to it, just be aware that that might be a 6 to 12 month time frame that we're looking at. Okay, so that's my thoughts, guys, on whether or not to invest into Ethereum hard fork and Ethereum Classic. My personal opinion is that I'm going to invest in both. Okay, and I already have some Ethereum Classic right now, so I'm just waiting for Ethereum hard fork to drop lower in price, and then I'll get some of that as well. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you guys like it, give me a thumbs up. If you guys don't like it, give me a thumbs down, so I stop making them. And if you guys have any friends, colleagues, things like that want to learn more about investing in cryptocurrencies and profiting from it, make sure you share our channel with them, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Tell your friends and family to subscribe to our channel, and we'll share more information with you about how to invest in cryptocurrencies as we get updated on the material. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you guys in a future video.